Hello friends, welcome to your channel Chandan 6 Academy. Now today we're going to discuss about fractions quickly. Fundamental operations in fractions. So today I'm going to show you at least two operations, subtraction and additions. So out of this, let's understand first addition. So as you all know that the fractions are additions. The first one we are going to discuss about addition with the same denominators. I hope all of you know the denominator and numerator in the fractions, especially I'm talking about those lower grade students. So this video can be watched by grade 5th to 8 any students. Even those who are learning in 9 and 10, they can see this one as they can watch this as for their refreshing the things, brushing the things, okay, the knowledge they have. So let's begin. Addition. We have the first question here, which I have already solved. As you can see, the denominator is same, numerator is also same here, but we are talking about denominator. Remember that addition, subtraction, denominator plays a vital role, whereas the other numerators you have to just play with it. Now if you see 4 and 4, both are denominator same, so you have to write the denominator as it is. If I would ask you, this is 1/4, right? How many 1/4 you have? 1/4 plus 1/4, how many 1/4 you'll get? Yes, 2/4 you will get. So when you have a denominator is same, you just write denominator as it is and add the numerator. 1 plus 1, 2. And now you can see this fraction, you can simplify or you can write more in simplest form or reduced form if you like right now. So I would show you how to do it if you know divisibility test properly, and if you have a doubts in the divisibility test, then I would recommend you please go and watch I have made divisibility test on this divisibility test video, and the link you will find in the description also. So let's see. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so this has become 1/2. So let's move to the next question, and I want you to first find out whether it is same denominator or not. 5 and 5, right? Now I want you to write the answer here, means think about the answer, and for that, if you want to give your answer, if you want little time, you can pause this video and give your answer. So as I told you, if denominator is same, you just write down the denominator as it is. Now what do you have to add? Numerator only. You have to add numerator only. Please, precautions, or take a very important note here, never ever add the denominator. So 3 plus 1 is answer is coming 4/5 right now. So what do you have to take care? Never ever add the denominator. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Yes, this is 7/15 and 4/15. So denominators are same, so you will write this one as it is. Now what to add only? These two numerators. 7 plus 4, 11 is the answer. Okay, now one more sum we have here, and I want you to try and write your answer in a comment box. Okay, I will not give the answer for this. I will check there your answer and I will reply on this. Okay, so let's move to the next part. We have addition. Same thing. We need to add, but this time we have a different denominator. This is where most of the students get confused. So watch it carefully. Let's start. What I have here is 2/4 and 3/7. 2/4 and 3/7, as you can see that denominators are different. But good thing about this question is, as you can see, I hope all of you know about prime number. If you don't know, prime number is a number which have only two factors. Now 4 have more than 2 factors, like it can be divisible by 1, and all numbers can be divisible by 1. It can be divisible by 2 as well, and it can be divisible by 4 also. So it has 3 factors, whereas 7 is only divisible by 1 and itself. So it has only 2 factors. The number which comes in their own table or one table times table, that is called a prime number. Okay, so 4 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. Now 4 is a composite number. Okay, if I ask you to find out the answer, how to do it, you can go for the LCM, but here we have a small trick with the knowledge of prime factors. First thing, check out whether they are any of the number is prime or not. If it is prime, then what to do? Just multiply these two. But precaution, if your prime numbers, if the prime number never comes, they do not comes in each other table. For example, if I write the second question here for you, if I write here 5 upon 14 and 3 upon 7. Now 7 is a prime number, but 14 is a composite number, right? And here you cannot multiply directly because 14 comes in 7 tables, whereas 4 and 7, they do not come in each other tables. When they don't come each other table, they do not have any factor in common. Then what you have to do? Very simple. You have to do this process. First thing, for a denominator, you direct multiply these two. Direct multiply them. That will give you your denominator. So 4 7s are 7 4s are 28. What to do next? The next is you have to do cross multiplication. Be careful what I'm telling you. Cross multiplication. What is that? See the arrow? Cross multiplication means this 7 and 2 will multiply and 4 multiply with 3. So this is called cross multiplication because you already got the denominator. Now what is the fundamental of this cross multiplication? We will discuss later. Okay, so right now just enjoy the quick method. Now 7 2s are 14 plus, remember that which sign is between two fractions, you have to put that. Now next is 4 multiply with 3. 4 3s are 12. Absolutely right if you have given an answer like this. Now add them, 28, and add these two. What will be the answer? Tell me. Yes, 26. So this is how you have to solve. Now come to this question, second question. Be careful. What I told you, first see whether they are prime number or not. So 7 is a prime number. So what to do next? Very simple. See that whether, second step you have to remember, whether they come in each other table or not. If they do so, you cannot do this direct multiplication and write the answer. Now 7 and 14. Since 14 comes in 7 ka table, so what to do? It will be very clear that 14 is going to be your LCM. How is that? Let's see. Let's check it out with the factorization and LCM finding. So let's find out the LCM of 14 and 7 and 14. Okay, it will begin with the 2. What will come? 7 as it is. 2 7s are 14, right? So, and then again both are 7, so 7 7 1 1 7 1 1. Now your LCM is, your LCM will be multiplication product of these two, 2 into 7. Answer is 14. As you can see, 14 is your LCM and 14 is here. So if you check whenever you are solving, if they come each other table, the bigger one will be your LCM. So 14 is bigger than 7, so 14 is your LCM. Now what to do next? The next is very important step. Now what will come in the numerator here? Now you need to make your denominator equals to your LCM. Now how to do that? What you will multiply 14 to get 14? Obviously 1. So in this fraction you have to multiply numerator and denominator by 1. So let's see what is coming here. 5 upon 14 multiply with 1, you get the same as it is. Okay, next step. Now 3 by 7 you have this fraction. Now 7 to make 14, what you will multiply in the denominator? What 7s are 14? Yes, 7 2s are 14, exactly. So what you are multiplying in the denominator, you have to do same in the numerator. So you are multiplied both numerator and denominator with 2. Okay, so what you'll get to final answer in this, you get it here as 5 upon 14 plus 3 to the 6, 7 to the 14. As your denominator becomes same, we have learned already, if you have the same denominator, you don't have to add the denominator. You have to just write the denominator as it is and add the numerator. It's the same thing here. As you made your denominator equal, so next process is, the next step is very simple. Whatever the denominator there you got, here is we have 14, so write 14 as it is, and now 6 plus 5, come on, tell me the answer. Yes, 11, absolutely right answer, good way. So this is what the answer of this. And if you want quick answer, see here, 14 and 7, you got the LCM 14, your denominator here 14 is fixed. What to do? Since you have this fraction same as the LCM, so write your this numerator as it is. Class, now 7. Now what you will do, 7 to make 14, there is a 2 way, as I told you, multiply the 7. What you will multiply 7? 2. So multiply here 2. 3 to the 6. Answer is 11 upon 14. Clear? Okay. So this is how you need to do the answers, and let's try out one more and let's see how much you understood with a different denominator. Now I would like to give you the question and you try out. You can pause the video even to try this out. Suppose you have 3 upon suppose we have 10 and you are adding the 7 upon 30. Now they do not come each other table, and 13 is a prime number, right? So what to do? You have to take the LCM. Okay, and they do not come each other table. Do they come each other table? 10 in 10 ka table you get 13, or 13 table you get 10? No way. So this is your this kind, the first kind, where the one number is prime and other both the denominators, means these both number doesn't come each other table. So what to do? Simple. What you will do? You will multiply the denominator directly to get your final denominator in the answer. So 10, 30, 13 tens are 130. And now what to do? What to do? Cross multiplication. Yes, right answer. What you will do? Cross multiplication. So you cross multiply these two. Let's see what will come. 13 threes are 39. Yes, right answer. And 10 sevens are 70. Good. Now add them. So that will be your answer. 130. 9 plus 0, 9. 7 plus 3, 10. So this is your final answer. Hope you understood why we have not taken any LCM. In fact, you have taken the LCMs. The only thing we have not done manually, we have done mentally, that 13 and 10, they do not come in each other table. So this is your example where you have to do the cross multiplication. So be careful when you have to do cross multiplication and when you do not have to do. So let's take the example of when you do not have to do. We have already done one sum like that. So this is the example. Let's see. As I told you, 11 is a prime number. Can you see that? Yeah. But earlier word, this is a prime number and they do not come in each other table. Here, as you can see, the 22 comes in the 11th table. So what to do? Which one is bigger number? That will be your denominator. Right, so Now 22, this is all, this fraction's denominator is 22 and your final denominator is also 22. Both are same. So what we have to do? We have to write the numerator, this fraction's numerator as it is. Now next is sign. Which sign is here? Plus. So please put plus there. And now here is 11, here is 22. How to get that? How to convert your 11 in 22? By multiplying with 2. Okay, or you can do like this also. 22, now 11 divides 22, what will come? 2. So you will multiply your numerator with 2. So what will come here? What you will get? Answer 5 to the 10. Okay, so final answer is 22. 10 plus 3, 13. So this is how you need to solve such a sums. You remember that these two were there. And if both are composite number, then what you will do? Simply you will take the LCM and you will follow the method which I showed you here. Okay, multiply and make your denominator same as your LCM. Hope you understood, hope you like it. If you like it, please share, subscribe and learn it. Happy learning. Take care. Bye bye. God bless you.